much booty in the pants.
I'm sitting there thinking I messed the whole thing up. I've been a fool. God, I know. Didn't expect this is how this would go. Maybe in time you change your mind. Now looking back, I wish I could rewind. Because I can't sleep till you're next to me, so I can't live without you.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
You're oh so charming.
I've been a throw up the and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been a
That'd be sweet.
Cobb played at Alabama.
Oh, his big old muscles ricochet that one to the back.
Oh, here he goes. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, baby, that's a lot of muscles coming at you. He didn't even know it was coming. Look at him. He had a heart attack.
That could have been bad.
It scared him to death.
That could have been terribly bad.
That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel. So good, so good, so good, so real. That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel. Love it, so please don't stop it. VIP, cause you know I got a shot. Fergie Ferg, give me love you long time. All my girls get down on the floor. Back to back, drop it down real loud. I'm such a lady, but I'm dancing like a. Cause you know I don't give up, so here we go.
Loved you endlessly, and you weren't there for me. So now it's time to leave. Can't make it alone. I know that I can't take no more. It ain't no lie. I don't wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in the game for two.
Accompanied by Indiana Westland, now batting Justin Hickey.
Let's meet contestant number 2.
This is my jam. Keep the party in till the AM. Y'all don't understand. Make me throw my